What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today we're going to be discussing why the install now option is grayed out whenever I try to do software updates. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so this video is for you if you have ever tried to do an install for your software update and it is grayed out. So there are 1 to 2 things that you can do to take this away and make the install now blue again. First, you need to try and reboot your phone. Reboot your iPhone. If that does not work, then you will need to make sure your phone is either 50% charged or it is on the charger while you are trying to install the software update. Once you do these 2 things, that should alleviate the issue and you should be good to go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.